Hey, my name is Luc. I'm a lead AI software engineer in BCG Gamma. I have been there for about 4 years now, and it's been a hell of a ride so far. I work as a AI lead software engineer in BCG Gamma, and my goal is to join the team and make sure that as a team, we can create value for the clients. That means that we need not only to understand the business of the clients, not only we need also to come up with the right machine learning or optimization approach, but we also need to build a solution that scales to the whole scope of the company. And we need to build a solution that is maintainable over time and that integrates well with the infrastructure of the client. So my goal is to make all that happen. We use Python a lot, that's for sure. We heavily rely on cloud computing services, so we use different cloud service providers, Azure, AWS, or even GCP. We sometimes leverage Spark if we have to deal with a large amount of data. But one thing is certain is that you should not be afraid to learn new frameworks because definitely you will encounter some of them as you go through different projects. The one thing that is great about BCG Gamma is you get to work on different projects. And when you go on a project, you are directly dealing with top management at the company. That means that you are actually making things happen. And sometimes it can be a challenge because you have different stakeholders to deal with, but in the end, you are making a real impact. So when I joined the company, I joined as a senior software engineer. Now I'm a lead software engineer. That means that not only I have to make individual contributions, but I also make sure that the team as a whole can function properly. And in the future, I can see that you can develop a relationship with the client and you can make sure that over the course of several projects, you are creating value for the clients. I studied software engineering in Toulouse University. And after defending a PhD, I worked in industry as a software engineer. Then I joined BCG Gamma as an AI software engineer. Now I have a lead AI software engineering position, which means that not only I need to individually contribute to the projects, but I need to make sure that the team as a whole moves forward. In the coming years, I plan to develop relationship with clients, so as in the course of projects, I can make sure that we are creating impact.